Imagine your countertop as a stage for your next kitchen star, your air fryer. First, think capacity. A 2 to 4 liter basket makes quick snacks for 1 or 2, 5 to 8 liter baskets handle family-sized batches. Next, wattage sets the tempo. 1,200 to 1,500 watts heat gently and save electricity. 1,600 to 2,200 watts crisp, faster, and sear better. Peak at the temperature range, 80 to 200 degrees. Celsius lets you dry herbs low and roast vegetables high. Inside, the convection fan is your secret weapon. Look for turbo-style or vortex systems that swirl hot air evenly, so fries do not need to flip every minute. Check that baskets and trays are dishwasher safe. Fewer scrubbing sessions mean more time for dinner. Controls and presets should feel intuitive. Digital screens with a handful of one-touch programs are great, but make sure you can still dial in custom times and temperatures. Measure the footprint. A compact machine slides between the toaster and the blender, while a larger model may demand its own corner. For nonstick coating, choose ceramic surfaces without polytetrafluoroethylene to avoid unwanted chemicals and release food effortlessly. Do not overlook safety features, cool touch handles, automatic shutoff, and non-slip feet. Keep curious children and clumsy cooks safe. Finally, check brand reliability, warranty length, and energy efficiency ratings. A solid 2-year guarantee and low kilowatt hours per cycle mean fewer surprises and lower bills. Bonus tip: look for extra accessories, racks, skewers, or silicone liners to expand your cooking repertoire and keep air flowing freely. With these factors in harmony, you will pick an air fryer that hits every note, fast, efficient, and utterly crunch-worthy.